Still using chemical bleach on your face? Switch to natural bleach for a safer, glowing, and healthy complexion. Perfect for those who want safer, long-term results and a healthy, radiant complexion. In today's video, I'll show you how to make an effective herbal homemade bleach using just 3 powerful kitchen ingredients. This powerful combo gently brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and gives a fresh, natural glow. Gather these natural ingredients: blended apple paste, honey, lemon juice. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of blended apple. Apple is rich in antioxidants and natural acids that gently exfoliate dead skin cells and promote a natural glow. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey has natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties that soothe, heal, and hydrate your skin. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamin C and natural bleaching agents that help lighten dark spots, pigmentation, and melasma. Mix everything together to form a smooth, even paste. Apply the mask evenly to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Focus on spots with dark patches or uneven skin tone. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off gently with cool water and pat your skin dry. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Skip the chemical bleaches that damage your skin over time. This simple, natural remedy is safe, effective, and gives you a brighter, healthier complexion the natural way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare remedies. And share it with someone who needs this.